So, good morning, everyone. Let us now discuss new chapters. So, what is the chapter we will now talk about? So, let's talk about one, though very detailedly it is discussed in our material, but okay, we will discuss one chapter called ARERA. So, write down heading as Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016.
ఈ నీళ్ళలో పెట్టుకునేది అదేమన్నా ఎవరైనా నీళ్ళలో పెట్టుకుంటారా?
Okay. Chaliye sir, let's now discuss this chapter, sir. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone, sir. बढ़ो आगे बढ़ो. Write down this heading, sir. The Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016. Come on, sir. Sir, in this law, whenever we hear a word CG, who will come in the word CG? Voice is still audible, sir? Please, ma, kindly respond once. Voice is audible? Okay, sir. Right. So we are now talking about Real Estate Act, sir. Now, इसमें CG कौन होगा, sir? Sir, CG will be ministry only of central government, sir. Which ministry? Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Can I go forward, sir? Okay. Now, sir, now what we will be doing, sir? Today's class में I will be not discussing any section as such, but what I will do is I will discuss entire act, sir. So that इससे क्या होगा? When you are reading, things becomes easy, sir. Okay. So section wise reading we will not do today. We will ensure, मतलब wherever if possible, if I really feel that yes we have to read that section, then I will go. Otherwise today's class I will dedicate to complete introduction, sir. Okay. Let's see, sir. What is this talking all about, sir? Sir, नाम में लिखा है द रियल इस्टेट को क्या करेंगे सर? व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू? रेगुलेट. एंड रियल इस्टेट को व्हाट वी हैव टू डू सर? डेवलप. So can I say, if at all somebody reads this chapter, indirectly he can say there are two objectives behind bringing this law, sir. One is to regulate. Now what do you mean by regulate, sir? What do you mean by regulate? Regulate is what, sir? Some areas may we want to prohibit, some areas may we want to control. So instead of using a word prohibit and control, we use one word called we are going to regulate. And a rope toke is what generally we say, rope toke. So rope toke is what I mean by regulate. Is this over? Okay. So real estate को regulate करना है, real estate को develop करना है. Now again sir, ironically sir, this law also came into picture few days before demonetization only sir. But the thing was what sir, this law did not come into picture in a single shot sir, but in multiple attempts it has come sir. Matlab, you can say like companies have, in an incremental way this law has come. I hope you understand by a word called incremental way. Boys and girls, are you able to listen to me? See, today I'm trying with new mic. There's a reason I'm asking you 2-3 times, sir. Okay, chaliye sir. Now, sir, if at all, before this law we are talking about, sir, agar real estate mein any problem is there, sir, what could be the problem? Can anybody tell me, sir? What was the biggest problem, sir? We do now. It depends on you, man. If you want to write some running notes, you may please. Can anybody tell me, sir, what was the biggest problem in real estate? Sir, biggest problem in real estate was there was no transparency. There was no transparency. What do I mean by there was no transparency, sir? It's simple hai. Mostly, this is how real estate business works, sir. Sir, imagine L&T today is coming up with project. Okay, sir, very good. So if L&T people are coming up with their project, sir, project मतलब क्या sir? कोई building को land and building को develop करना, development project they are coming up with, sir. Sir, उसमें before the project, now imagine ground level, only one ground floor has been constructed, sir. Sir, most of the people will buy or will give advance for what, sir? उसके ऊपर वाला also. मतलब 10th floor building वाला is sold out, sir, today itself, sir. या फिर agreement to sale has been entered, sir. Okay, sir, don't you think after taking money, sir, problem क्या हो रहा है, sir? What is the problem, sir? After taking money, sir. Now, sir, the person who purchased the project, the person who purchased that apartment, उसको ना we call as allottee. What we call this as, sir? What we call this person? Allottee. So you may say he's a purchaser, you may say he's a allottee. Okay. Okay. So allottee, after making the payment, sir, he used to be always after the builder by when it will get over, etc., etc., sir. So can I say ये builder क्या करता था, sir? He used to take this money and imagine a scenario elsewhere some project is going on. Sir, in that project, agar imagine money deficit is there, sir. This money he used to spend where? In other projects, sir. So can I say when this money is spent in other project, do you think there will be money left to do this project? Will there be any money left to do this project? Answer is no, sir. So what used to happen? What used to happen, sir? Delay. Do you think this is one of the problems, sir? Now, first I am discussing what problems allottees were facing, sir. So point number one, what is the biggest problem they are facing, sir? Whatever time limit they have said, are they abiding by the time limit? No, they are not abiding by the time limit, sir. Second, can I say the money which is used for a concerned project, are they using for some other project? Bolo bacha. This is problem number one. Problem number two is what, sir? Money used for some other projects, sir. Next, sir, imagine, sir, while telling, oh, bade bade khwaba, sir, ye karenge, wo karenge, oh, multiple things they said, sir. But after construction, sir, after handing over the apartment, sir, most of the time what we found was repairs were coming, sir. Maybe reason is poor quality products were used, sir. Poor quality cement ho sakta hai, or many things can be, sir. So many structural damages were happening, sir. What were happening, sir? Many structural damages were happening, sir. Okay, so don't you think ये भी एक तरह का disadvantage ही है? Because once you sold, can I say, now if you go to him, sir, he is not listening to you only, sir. Agreed? Sir, somewhere if possible, you write down what problems we are facing, sir. Problem number one is what, sir? Delay in handing over the project. Problem number two is what, sir? Money is being misutilized or money is being utilized for some other projects, sir. And problem number three is what, sir? You are facing or you are having some structural damages. Okay. So now to ensure that all these problems are not there, sir, हमने एक law बनाया जिसका नाम है what, sir? RERA. What is the name of this law, sir? RERA. Real Estate bracket में Regulation and Development Act. Now this R stands for Regulation and Development. Is this point clear, bacha? Now, unfortunate thing is what, sir? In our material, thoda, I don't understand. Very detailedly they have discussed this chapter, sir. And that too, this will come around for 5 marks, 6 marks, sir. So, thoda exam-based study we will be doing, sir. If some sections I feel are irrelevant, sir, I will be not discussing, sir. Unnecessary. Let's not waste our time in discussing too many sections, sir. Okay, na? Yes, idea आपको दे देगा मैं, idea आपको दे देगा. If you remember this introduction class, definitely you will be able to write. ऐसा नहीं है you will be losing the marks, sir. But thing is what, section by section, if we keep on discussing, sir, time waste बहुत ज़्यादा होगा, sir. Okay. Now, sir, as I said earlier, this law was implemented in 2 steps, sir. What are the 2 steps? What are the 2 steps, sir? Sir, few sections. Now, totally, if you see, sir, there are about 92 sections in this law. Totally, this law is having 92 sections divided into 10 chapters. Divided into 10 chapters. Okay, bacha? बोल दो बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स। ओके नाउ सर उसमें पार्ट 1 में सम सेक्शंस वेर नोटिफाइड एंड पार्ट 2 में सम सेक्शंस वेर नोटिफाइड सर। सो फर्स्ट डेट वाज 1st May 2016, that is before demonetization, and another wala 1st May 2017, that is after demonetization. So can I say this law was implemented in single shot manner sir or incremental manner sir? So आप लिख सकते हैं ये डेट, this was implemented in a incremental manner sir. First few sections were notified, then another few sections were notified sir. Now बढ़ो आगे बढ़ो। So now we are discussing some important points. So I request you people to please write down all these important points sir. This will lay down summary for entire chapter. This will lay down summary for entire chapter sir. Okay, now tell me sir. Sir, earlier when RERA was not there, transparency was there or transparency was not there? मतलब when will builder complete the project, when he will hand over, where that money is being used, the transparency is there or not there? Now tell me sir, अगर transparency नहीं है, person who is having the money, if he wants to invest this money, do you think he will invest in real estate? बोलो बच्चा, obviously no. क्यों? से simple है माँ, as a shareholder when we invest money in the company we want to know no, where our money is getting spent, how it is being used. Agreed? But can I say साला इधर पैसा डालने के बाद when this project will be handed over, where this money is being used, what quality of raw material etc is used, कोई clarity नहीं है अपने को. Now after RERA what has happened sir, now full clarity has been provided. Full clarity कैसे आएगा we will tell you sir. We will discuss the provision sir, but now full clarity has come sir. Now tell me sir, अगर full clarity है, transparency है, would you like to invest or you would not like to invest? Would you like to invest? Yes. So now don't you think RERA आने के बाद real estate will get developed or will not get developed? Will get developed. इसलिए नाम में ही लिखा है सर, what is written sir? Real estate को what we will do sir? Regulate. Real estate को what we will do sir? Develop sir. So can I say development has happened? So there are two objectives. So real estate को we want to develop, रियल एस्टेट को वी वांट टू रेगुलेट. सर डेवलप कैसे करेंगे सर? बाय लेइंग डाउन ट्रांसपेरेंसी, रेगुलेट कैसे करेंगे? वेरियस प्रोविजंस आर देयर सर, वी विल चेक दिस. अभी आई डोंट वांट टू राइट एनीथिंग. बढ़ो आगे बढ़ो. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट सर. सर ये जो लॉ है, रेरा लॉ है सर. नो रेरा विल अप्लाई टू होम सर? मतलब किसके ऊपर ये लॉ अप्लीकेबल है सर? ऑन होम दिस लॉ इज अप्लीकेबल? बोलो बच्चा. डू यू थिंक फर्स्ट रियल एस्टेट? ऑब्वियसली. Will this law apply to that real estate project? Yes. So first I will write real estate project. उस पे this law will be applicable. Only real estate project sir? Only real estate project or people who are doing that real estate project also? Sir उन लोगों को law is giving one special name which is promoters. So this law also applies to whom, sir? Promoters. Who are promoters, sir? Sir, in our bhasha we call these people, only for understanding I'm writing, sir, इनको हम बोलते हैं developers, like L&T, है ना, ये सब लोग क्या है सर? डेवलपर्स है सर. Only these two people? Do you think this law is providing safety also to whom, sir? Person who is buying the project. Now buyers को what is the name they are giving in this law? Can anybody tell me, sir? Buyers को क्या नाम दे रहे हैं हम लोग? Whoever is buying that apartment etc. उसको क्या नाम दे रहे हैं सर? Allottees. Very good, sir. So this law will also govern whom, sir? Allottees. Okay. Now can I say ये promoters के there could be some agents also, sir? Agree? Yes. So this law is also governing those real estate agents. समझ में आया? So this law applies not only to, now generally people will say this law applies to promoter and project, sir, but can I say इन दोनों को लिए भी है ना this law is there, sir. So this law will give some duties to promoter also, some rights to promoter also, some duties to agents or allottees, some rights also to those people, sir. Okay, what are those? The more we read we will understand, sir. Third point, sir. Okay. अब next question ये है, sir. You said regulate. Now what we will do, sir? We will write some provisions with respect to regulations. कि क्या है वो provisions क्या है, sir? What are the provisions with respect to regulations? Where we are controlling? Where we are controlling whom, sir? All those projects. Let's see some provisions with respect to regulations. Right, Badu? Sir, first point is what, sir? Registration. First point is what, sir? Registration of real estate project. Registration of real estate project. Sir, ये register किसके पास होगा, sir? With one authority जिसका नाम है RERA. So now we are talking about name of the authority, Real Estate Regulatory Authority. Authority मतलब like CCI. CCI भी एक authority था, sir. So total RERA Act is properly getting implemented or not, sir? Here we have found one authority by name what, बच्चा? Real Estate Regulatory Authority, sir. समझ में आया? So better my advice would be what, sir? Instead of writing RERA, you write full name, sir. Real Estate Regulatory Authority. और ना क्या होगा? Unnecessary you will get confusion, sir. कि sir again wrote RERA. RERA means name of the law. ऐसा नहीं है, sir. Now ये जो registration है, sir, when this is required, sir? Before commencement of advertisement. Before commencement of any marketing, sir. Before commencement of any advertisement. Or before commencement of your selling of project. समझ में आया? तो इसका मतलब क्या सर? Now imagine today I want to give an advertisement of some project, sir. Do you think registration is mandatory? Yes. Do you think registration is mandatory? Yes. Sir, before I sell to anybody, sir, do you think registration is mandatory? Yes. Next question, sir. Sir, okay. Registration बोले आप लोग. Now question is, who will apply for registration, sir? Who will apply for registration? Can I say now you should use local language, no? In law, developer word is used? No. So can I say who will apply for registration, sir? Obviously promoter. Okay, promoter will apply, sir. अब एक question I would like to ask you, sir. Sir, ये जो registration है, is this registration of a promoter or registration of a real estate project? Registration of a promoter or registration of a real estate project? Now, why I am asking you this question, if you say it is a registration of a promoter, that means what? In his life, he may do 20 projects. Now, for 20 projects, no registration is required. Agree? But if you say it is a registration of real estate project, so if promoter does 20 projects, he has to now register 20 times. तो समझ में आ रहा है क्या बोल रहा हूं मैं? So ये जो registration हो रहा है, is it registration of L&T or is it registration of the project which L&T is doing in Gachibowli, sir? So imagine L&T is having one project in Gachibowli, L&T is having some project in Maredpalli, sir, L&T is having some project, say for example in Kukatpalli. So different projects are going on, project 1, project 2, project 3. So ये जो registration हो रहा है, is it registration of the promoter? Is it registration of the promoter or is it registration of project, sir? So now tell me, sir. So ये नहीं है answer, this is not the answer. So this is the registration of a project, sir. Okay, so do you think as many projects, as many registrations? As many, so can I say per project this is? Per project का registration होना चाहिए, sir. So here, how many projects will be registered, ma? 3 times registration के लिए you will apply, sir. Okay, बच्चा, boys and girls. Now, sir, can I say, अगर imagine developer, that is promoter, does not do work according to his promise, sir. So can I say allottees, can they file a complaint now? Yes. Now their complaint earlier बराबर कोई नहीं सुनते थे, sir. But now can I say separate body has been formed. Now can I say allottees can now file their complaint with whom, sir? Real estate regulatory, I am writing the word authority. I am writing the word authority. I am writing a word authority. Now remember, sir, ये जो authority है, ये state wise है, sir. ये state wise है, sir. So imagine if your project is situated in Telangana, then you should go to RERA authority of Telangana, sir. But अगर वो मध्य प्रदेश हो, तो you cannot come to Telangana, sir. समझ में आया बच्चा? Boys and girls. ओके नाउ सर अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये था, ये जो प्रोजेक्ट यू सेट एवरी टाइम रजिस्ट्रेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड, सर ये प्रोजेक्ट डू यू थिंक registration is mandatory when it is a residential project or when it is a commercial project? अगर L&T is taking up a residential project, तब is it mandatory or तब it will be? See Ankush, now we are reading central law, we are reading central law. Every state will prepare their law considering the central law. Okay na? As a student now we cannot read central state law because we are writing ICSI exam. Now ICSI exam is not a state wise exam, right? So अगर state wise पढ़ाने बैठे तो कहने से मैं तेलंगाना में रह रहा, I will teach you only तेलंगाना का law. So इसलिए what did ICSI thought कि we will put in syllabus central law. 95% or 98% you can say sir, all state laws are mutatis mutandis of your central law. समझ में आया? More or less every point of your state law will be incorporated in your central law, sorry state law. But still SG has to follow these laws while preparing. Yes, definitely ma'am. समझ में आया? We have to keep central law as a base. Okay, did you understand ma'am? So if you now understand this law, मतलब whatever I am teaching you sir, can you go and start implementing in Telangana? Answer is no sir. आपको एक बार तेलंगाना का रेरा भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Maharashtra ka RERA also you have to study sir, if you are trying to implement this in Maharashtra sir. Because I told you, now can I say real estate project cannot be there in center, agree? Real estate project, do you think it will be in center or it will be in states? Correct hai na bhai? Kukatpalli is in India or is it in particular state? More specific answer sir. India में बोलूं या more specific is in Telangana? More specific is Telangana sir. Hence है ना, state wise implementation we are doing sir. समझ गया? Okay, so can I say, देखो ना आप, do you think regulations are happening sir? Some restrictions are there or not sir? So what is the restriction sir? State wise जिसका जमीन, correct ना? Yes. Now what is the restrictions we have found? Restriction number 1, advertisement नहीं करना, sale नहीं करना. You cannot do advertisement, you cannot sell it जब तक you don't do registration. Do you think this is a regulation? Are we regulating or not? Control कर रहे हैं ना भाई? Yes. Second क्या बोल रहे sir? How many projects are there? That many registrations are required. ये भी एक control है. Developer बोलूं या promoter बोलूं? Promoter है ना? Ensure that you fulfill all your terms and conditions. नहीं हुआ तो we may also है ना initiate case proceedings on you sir. Complaint can also be filed. Okay, next और सुनना sir. Sir, can I say earlier there was one problem sir, money को misutilize कर रहे थे आप. You take the money from allottees and you were misutilizing sir. Now lawmakers are saying what sir? Whatever money comes, जो भी money आता sir, 70% of the money should be kept in one escrow account. Now what do you mean by escrow sir? सर एनी अकाउंट मतलब क्या सर, जिसमें पैसा डालते आप. सो वॉट एवर मनी कम्स, नाउ इमेजिन सर we are there 20 allottees. Sir, 20 allottees has paid, imagine 50 crores. Yeah, simplicity sake ke liye 100 crores. Now 100 crores money which is coming for Kukatpalli project, 70% of the money should be kept in escrow account. Now this money will be used only for development of Kukatpalli projects. Escrow account of current project. Escrow account of current project. Did you understand this point, sir? Sir, you may say, sir, 30% he can misutilize. The answer is yes. Can I say? Now tell me, sir, 100 crores today I received, sir. Do you think all 100 crores will I spend today only in this project? Maybe no. Agreed or not, sir? So can I say, इतना liquidity तो मेरे को भी चाहिए ना भाई? इतना liquidity तो मेरे को भी चाहिए. Sir, in one hand, I am having abundant money for this project. Another hand, I am not having any money. Unnecessary, I will pay interest, sir. Do you think is it good thing? Do you think is it good thing? Answer is no, sir. Hence, we said 30% you can use it for other project, but 70% amount should be used only for this project. %70 you should use only for this project. ओके बच्चा, कहने से ये भी एक तरह का रेगुलेशन हो गया. डू यू थिंक दिस इज अ रेगुलेशन, सर? बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, है ना? सो अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू मा, सर टुडेस क्लास में आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टीच यू एनी सेक्शन, सर. बट अगर यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड टुडेस क्लास, नेक्स्ट 3 क्लासेस बेटर यू डोंट लिसन मा. टाइम वेस्ट होगा आपका और मेरा भी. So today's class will lay down foundation for next 2 to 3 classes. Okay? चलिए सर, अगला पॉइंट सर. सर इफ यू रिमेंबर, पिलर स्ट्रॉन्ग डालेंगे. करेक्ट करेक्ट. Now if you remember, structural damages are possible, and later on, है ना, who was not listening, sir? हमारा promoter was not listening, sir. Agree? अब लॉ मेकर्स क्या बोले मालूम है? आफ्टर सेल वारंटी भी देना. So here they are using a word, sir. Builders will be liable. Now when I say builder, it means promoter. So builder, that is promoter. So they will be liable for structural defects. They will be liable for what, sir? Structural defects. They will be liable for structural defects. Now when? During construction or after construction? Liable for structural defect after possession, after handing over the possession, after handing over, after handing over the possession, sir. Now question ये है, कितने सालों तक, how many years तक they will be having this right, sir, और मतलब ड्यूटी, सर. लॉ मेकर्स बोला बहुत ही जबरदस्त टाइम लिमिट वी आर पुटिंग, which is 5 years. Now Ankush, let's be optimistic, ma. Let's not think negative. Start of the class itself. Okay, what will happen there I will tell you, ma. Okay, पहले सब अच्छी अच्छी बातें करेंगे सर. So now we have to motivate this law. बहुत कम है 5 years. but I guess this is too large a time period, sir. Sir, earlier to construction over, duty over. Now can I say construction over? Still, we are responsible for that construction for 5 years. Now 5 years is not a small time limit. This is what I feel, sir. Maybe, है ना, आपका opinion differ होगा. But 5 साल तक you are still responsible to that project, sir. That is really great, sir. Okay, next. Sir, sometimes what may happen, sir? Sometimes what may happen, you may show a beautiful, now can I say how real estate projects are sold? Do you know? कैसे real estate projects, plots, etc. sell करते? Sir, we will prepare one beautiful pamphlet, sir. है ना? एक नंबर का pamphlet, sir. Now, maybe if possible, we will see some companies, sir. Real estate. ये देखो, ये देखिए आप, what a beautiful, मतलब, and you can see here, can I say they are doing register, what is the advertisement? Are you able to see RERA number? Are you able to see RERA number? दिख रहा आपको? देखो सर, this is what I mean by compliance of RERA, sir. So I told you, no, you cannot do any advertisement, website खोल भी नहीं सकते आप by showing that particular apartment, sir, unless it is RERA registered. And RERA registered है, you should show the registration number also. देखो इधर registration number is visible, clearly visible, sir. Okay? देखो आप, can I say by looking at this diagram, मतलब diagram बोलो या whatever advertisement you say, sir, can I say you feel like wow, है ना? अभी तक कुछ नहीं बना है ये, nothing is done, sir. देखो इधर, wow. ये देखो इधर, you have tennis, sir. I don't know whether this is badminton के लिए swimming pool, सब दिखा दिए वो लोग. Can I say चांद तारे दिखा दिए, देखो सर, ये swimming pool, wow. Can I say it looks like as if some 5-star luxury hotel में you are staying, sir. लोग आ रहे जा रहे. Can I say window view it is there, sir. Can I say ये देखो, मतलब maybe some games का room it could be. Can I say by looking at it, ये master layout also they are having, sir, where they are showing you entire thing कि किधर क्या होगा, what exactly will happen, proposed 100 feet internal road, this road, that road. Can I say every plan is prepared? Flower garden, wow. Flower garden, Goa orchid, butterfly garden, birds park, theme garden, pets garden, herbs garden, urban farming. Oh my God. दिख रहा है आपको? देखो, basketball court, tennis court, box cricket, skating rink. Oh my God. Lily pool कहते, I don't know what is lily pool. Now, gazebo कहते, pergola, mountain school कहते, readers hut, yoga hut, jogging track, bicycle tracking. Oh, jacuzzi, wow, jacuzzi. देखा भाई और बहनों, jacuzzi, private green. Now you should understand private, है ना? So signage wall, वाह, guard के लिए another room. Sir, now tell me, sir, don't you think ये देखते ही you get a feeling, sir? What is the feeling, sir? बनाएंगे मंदिर, है ना? Now this is the apartment which I should buy. Do you think you get this type of feeling or not, sir? Can I say you now? जैसे this is shown to you, you imagine yourself in this place now. Agree? आप मतलब whenever somebody is buying, sir, he imagines himself in this place. Wow, एक दिन मैं भी इसमें रहूंगा, है ना? Tennis I will be playing, this I will be doing, that I will be doing. Wow, जबरदस्त. Now tell me, sir, सब किए, ये outdoor है भाई और बहनों. This is outdoor. Indoor also is there, amenities में. ये बहुत रेंज में लिखे रहे लोग, इंडोर भी है इसमें. cafeteria, clinic, multi-purpose hall, yoga, squash court, table, billiards, air hockey, AV room, wow, carom, gym, ATM, pantry, बच्चों के लिए crash facilities also there, changing rooms, wow, I don't know for what purpose they will use that, spa, oh spa का diagram कुछ अलग ही है इनका, चलो जो भी है सर can I say like this, बहुत भयंकर लिखे भाई ये लोग, अग्री है ना। नाउ जो भी है भाई रेट आई एम नॉट डिस्कसिंग सर, जो भी इनका रेट होगा 15K is okay, I still feel if at all these things they are providing sir, that is very very reasonable, 15,000 per square feet sir. Okay, did you understand? Now imagine a scenario. Now what should I search, चलो no problem. Now imagine ये सब दिखाने के बाद लास्ट में they gave you all चिल्लर this things, कोई अपार्टमेंट नहीं है, टेनिस लॉन कुछ नहीं है, ओनली वन गार्डन इज देयर सर, उसमें भी कोई ग्रीनरी नहीं है, दैट इटसेल्फ इज टेनिस ग्राउंड, दैट इटसेल्फ इज बैडमिंटन, दैट इटसेल्फ इज एवरीथिंग सर. डू यू थिंक यू आर डिसीव्ड? डू यू थिंक आपके साथ चीटिंग हुआ है सर? इफ एट ऑल दे डू लाइक दिस, यस, अगर आपके साथ चीटिंग हुआ है, if at all the buyer, that is the allottee, if has been deceived sir, in case buyer is deceived into what sir? Purchase through false representation. So पूरे झूठे वादे सर, false representation, or you have done some false advertisement. Now supreme right we are giving sir, right of buyer. Can you guess what could be the right of the buyer sir? Can you guess what could be the right of the buyer sir? He has an option to exit, now sir agar he exercises this option to exit, what would be the consequence? You know what would be the consequence? आपको पूरा पैसा देना पड़ेगा refund along with interest. You have to give entire money as a refund along with interest. Don't you think this is also a जबरदस्त regulation? बोलो बच्चा. Do you think this is a wonderful regulation sir? Yes sir. Do you think regulation should be there only on developer, or regulation should also be there on buyers? Buyers के ऊपर भी रहना चाहिए. Now tell me what buyers can do wrong sir? Now imagine पूरा project हो गया, don't you think now it is a duty to make the payment? Agree? They have paid the advance sir, now construction हो गया, as per plan only it has been done. Don't you think now it is your duty to make the payment? Now sometimes buyers may do what, you know, उनके पास money is not there sir, they are not having money. Imagine if they are not having money, what they will do, sir? Intentionally they will delay in making the payment and taking over the possession. Yes, they are not taking over the possession also, but don't you think they are intentionally delaying also? Bolo bacha. Yes. Can I say this could cause a liquidity problem to the developer? Agree? पूरा काम होने के बाद भी उसको अगर पैसा टाइम पे नहीं मिला, this can cause liquidity problem. So maybe now developer may go to real estate authority. बोलो, real estate authority may issue an order, may tell the buyer to make the payment immediately. And imagine sir, अगर buyer payment नहीं देता है तो now उनके ऊपर भी पेनाल्टी लग सकती है. Okay, so this is also one type of regulation, sir. Buyers who do not comply with orders of authority, buyers who do not comply with orders of authority. Authority मतलब कौन है इधर? Now, if you don't like the order of authority, sir, you have appellate authority also. You have what, sir? Appellate tribunal also, or appellate tribunal. Then you have to face heavy penalties. आपको heavy penalties face करना पड़ेगा, sir. So heavy penalties plus you can be also liable for what, sir? Imprisonment. आपको जेल भी जाना पड़ सकता है, which could be maximum 1 year, sir. So don't you think there is a control, there is a regulation also on? This is a regulation on buyer. हाँ या ना? ओके बच्चा, and अगर buyer is making willfully, what is it, delay in making the payment, sir, he is liable to pay interest also. He is liable to pay what, sir? Interest also. Sir, next point, sir. Sir, even real estate agents जो है sir, now real estate agents, even they should be registered. Now tell me, sir, here real estate agent is registered or registration is happening for project? एजेंट का रजिस्ट्रेशन हो रहा है या प्रोजेक्ट का? एजेंट का, सर. बट इफ इट वाज प्रमोटर एट दैट टाइम, if it was promoter at that time, project ka registration was happening, because agent will never be developing any projects. And whenever you are doing advertisement, sir, you have to quote your RERA registration number. Jaise just now we have seen, sir, you have to quote your RERA registration number, sir. ओके बच्चा, नाउ एक छोटा सा पॉइंट लेट मी डिस्कस. Sir, you said registration is required. Registration is required. Now, question is registration required for every project, every real estate project? Registration is required, और कुछ exemption भी है? Are there some exemptions, sir? कुछ exemptions है क्या? Now, let's read this. So now we are writing what, sir? Projects. Setting heading लिख रहा हूं मैं. Now these projects को we are dividing into two parts. One is ongoing project. What do you mean by ongoing project? This law came into effect on 1/5/2016, right? This law came into effect on 1/5/2016. So maybe there could be some projects which were ongoing before 1/5/2016. Do you think possibility है? Yes, or new projects. Now, sir, ongoing projects पे is this law applicable? So now they asked a question, sir. क्या completion certificate is received? What is the question, sir? Completion certificate. What do you mean by completion certificate, sir? Construction पूरा हो गया. Is completion certificate received? Question mark. Sir, अगर answer is yes, completion certificate is already received before 1/5/2016 only, sir. Then not applicable, sir. Not applicable मतलब no compliance under RERA is required. But अगर imagine नहीं हुआ है, then है ना, compliance under RERA is required. Yes, so you may write compliance of RERA yes है आंसर. समझ में आया बच्चे? Okay, new projects के लिए what we are doing, sir? We are now checking, sir. Is say simple man. If every project को we bring under RERA, so don't you think, sir, we might be looking into minute details. Now imagine मेरे घर के बाजू में छोटा सा area I am developing, sir. उसके ऊपर भी if I put RERA, sir, don't you think now authority will be too much busy with their work? Agree? हर एक प्रोजेक्ट का रजिस्टर करो, तो unnecessary burdensome we don't want, sir. Okay, so hence what did we say, sir? Is the land where you are developing the project, is the land where real estate project is the land where real estate project is happening, sir. Is it more than 500 square meters I am taking, sir. Square feet nahi, square meters. Now remember, sir, 1 square meter is equal to 1.196 square yards. Okay, thoda technical we are going, sir, but it's okay. So what we have to check, sir? Square feet check karna ya square meter check karna? Square meter, sir. Now, can I say for this question, your answer could be yes, your answer could be no. Agree? सर मेरा लैंड 500 स्क्वायर मीटर्स के ऊपर है. नाउ दैट मींस इट इज 501 एंड अबव. दैट मींस इट इज 501 एंड अबव. ओके, बोल दो. ऐसे सिचुएशन में लॉ मेकर्स बोले यस, कंप्लायंस ऑफ रेरा इज रिक्वायर्ड. नाउ सर लैंड इज लेस देन 500 स्क्वायर मीटर्स. कहने से छोटा लैंड है, कहने से छोटा लैंड है, स्मॉल लैंड. दिस इज मतलब इन द आइज ऑफ लॉ इट इज ए स्मॉल लैंड. अग्री? बोलो. इफ लेस देन स्क्वायर 500 स्क्वायर मीटर है तो इन द आइज ऑफ लॉ इट्स ए स्मॉल लैंड, सर. नाउ लॉ मेकर्स आर सेइंग, सर, on this land are you constructing, sir? Construction 8 apartments है क्या? What is it we are checking, sir? 8 apartments है क्या? If again answer is yes, again answer is yes, then compliance of RERA is required. No, no, no. तो now I am saying, sir, not applicable नहीं बोल रहा मैं. CG का डिस्क्रिप्शन है सर, अभी भी CG oblique SG का discretion is there, sir. What discretion is there, sir? If required, they may say registration is required. Otherwise, registration is not required. If CG does not say anything, SG does not say anything. Okay. So here, remember, sir, whatever discretion will be there, do you think that will be for only one apartment or for all people it will be, sir? It will be a general order, not specific order, sir. समझ में आया भारत की जनता? So till now CG has not exercised its discretion, sir. CG can exercise the discretion, but अभी तक उन्होंने discretion exercise नहीं किया है, sir. So can I say if it is less than 8 apartments, so is any registration required? No registration is required today. Okay, बच्चा? Boys and girls, boys and girls. Now एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ सर, मैं भी ध्यान से सोच समझ कर बोलना सर. Sir, I have purchased one land. I have purchased one land. Sir, I have purchased one land. It is less than 500 square meters. It is less than 500 square meters. Do you think, now I want to do construction, sir. Do you think RERA registration is required or not required? Do you think RERA registration is required or not required? Sir, can I say? अभी तो बोला ना भाई. Sir, if land criteria I don't fulfill, construction criteria I have to check, sir. Agree? Directly, how can you say the answer? Bolo. So, in other words, how many criteria I have to check? how many criteria I have to check? Sir, this type of things are not written in the law. ये अपना creativity है sir. How many criteria I have to check? 2 criteria. One is आप bracket में somewhere you write down sir. Bracket में somewhere you write down sir. So one is land criteria and another wala construction criteria. Sir, both criteria should I fulfill or any criteria is enough? Should I fulfill both the criteria or any criteria? Any criteria is enough. फिर both बोलते देखो, मारता मैं तुम लोगों को. अरे तुम गांव वालों के ऐसा करते क्या रे? इधर देखो. Sir, did I write yes or no? Yes or no? अबे इतना अच्छा चार्ट उतारने के बाद भी तुम लोग ऐसा बोले तो what should be my answer? Okay, any one criteria if I fulfill, I have to register. But my question is not yet over. ध्यान से सुनना सर. I have purchased more than 500 square meter का land, but I am constructing only 4 apartments. मतलब 4 floors कर रहा हूँ, each floor पे 1 apartment is there, sir. Do you think RERA registration is required? Ankush, do you think RERA registration is required? Can I say more than 500 है? खेल खत्म. Now how many apartments you construct is immaterial. Can I say you have fulfilled land criteria? बोलो. और bomb लगाते सर. Sir, I have purchased more than 500 square meters का land. I will construct 4 floors, 4 apartments. All 4 are commercial. All 4 are commercial. All 4 are commercial. Now, I have no intention of selling, sir. I have no intention of selling it. I have only intention of giving it on rent. Do you think RERA is applicable? Do you think I should register this project? भैया, more than 500 square meters है, 4 floors है, बेचना नहीं है, रेंट के लिए है सर. Do you think RERA is applicable? No, no and no. अरे simple logic है भाई. Can I say some people, now there are no buyers, no here. Can I say if at all I develop a project, there should be 2 people, promoter भी होना and allotee भी होना. Here there is no allotee. बोलो. Here there is no allotee. समझ में आया? See, simple ma. Sometimes I may construct it for my purpose also, no? So imagine tomorrow your papa buys a land and do construction, sir. Do construction, sir. Do you think your papa is taking money from somebody and then doing the construction, or with his own money? बोलो. Own money, sir. या तो बैंक लोन लेंगे या खुद के पैसे होंगे, sir. Agreed or not, sir? And he is not having any intention to sell. So obviously, can I say किसका नुकसान होता भाई? Allottees will never be cheated here. समझ में आया? There is no question of allotee here. Did you understand? बोलो. Okay. So now a beautiful question I'm asking you. So समझकर बोलना sir. Don't jump the gun. Think I'm telling you. Think. L&T is doing development of project. 1000 apartments are there. कितने? 1000 apartments are there, sir. एक रुपया भी they are not taking from people, sir. पूरा 1000 apartments construct हो जाएगा. Everything will be done. Then they will sell the project, it seems. Then they will sell the apartment. Is RERA applicable? total construction will happen, then they will sell the project itself. पूरा एक रुपया भी they are not taking at work in progress stage. पूरा finished product होने के बाद they want to hand over, sir. Then only they are going to sell itself. Is RERA applicable? Answer is big no. Big no. बोलो क्यों? What would be the reason I'm saying no? No is my answer. मेरे को मालूम था आप लोग यही आंसर देते हैं yes बोल के. My answer is no. Why my answer is no? You know? Can I say buyers will be cheated when, sir? When buyer will be cheated? नहीं बोल दो. When buyer will be cheated, sir? जब कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं हुआ and now you show all these diagrams. When construction is not over, still you take money by showing these diagrams. Can I say now buyer will be cheated, sir? Agree or not, sir? But can I say already ये construct हो चुका है? Entire thing is constructed, sir. Now don't you think at that time buyer knows this, है ना? What is there, what is not there? Quality of construction also you can easily find out, sir. किसी what you say technical person को लेके आए तो he may also tell you, sir. So entire thing आप देख रहे हो and then you are buying it, sir. समझ में आया? So now there is no question of cheating. Is there any question of cheating? No question of cheating, sir. So can I say ऐसे situation में RERA registration is not required. समझ में आया बच्चा? बोलो. Say for example, sir, your papa has constructed those 4 floors, sir. फिर गारंटी कुछ नहीं मिलता अंकुश, गया गारंटी. RERA registration नहीं है ना. So maybe at the time of sale agreement you may write in that agreement, sir. Now let me take one more example, sir. Just now I told one example. Your papa purchased a land. Now he thought what कि joint family है, uncle is also staying with us, so 2 floors for uncle, 2 floors for himself. Okay, ऐसा thinking था, sir. And now we have done the construction, everything is over, sir. Sir, 1000 square meter था land. Do you think RERA registration is required? 1000 square meter RERA registration is required? बोलो. Not required. RERA registration is not required because it is personal use. Now remember, this personal use it is, or you can say personal funding. What is a better word you can use? What is the better word? Personal funding हो रहा है सर, किसी से पैसे तो नहीं ले रहे हम लोग सर. Okay, now अब point ये है sir, imagine after 1 year when construction is over, you stayed for 4 months, 5 months, sir. Later on, now your papa and uncle thinks what, you know, one floor is enough for us. Now they intend to sell other 2 floors, sir. Don't you think now what? Where is the question of RERA? Where is the question of RERA, sir? Agree? Construction पूरा हो गया है, everything is over. पूरा होने के बाद you are selling it, sir. So then can I say now there is no question of RERA, sir? Shreya, so sir, will buyer get structural defect up to? Now can I say, Shreya, it depends now on the agreement between your papa and the seller. Agar seller puts this condition, then maybe your papa has to give the guarantee, sir. See, don't think in a rocket science manner, sir. Simple hai. Today, if your house, if you are selling to others, do you think you give any structural damages this thing, sir? कोई देते क्या? No. Same logic you have to apply for your papa also, no? बेचे हम लोग, खत्म हो गया किस्सा. But why we are putting more this thing on L&T, sir? Because the day when he entered into agreement to sell, sir, can I say इतने सारे बिल्डिंग नहीं दिख रहे थे हमको. Ground floor में construction was going on, and I have purchased 49th floor. So can I say without seeing the construction I have purchased? There is a reason we are asking for what, sir? Structural damages का guarantee. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? Are you able to understand? But can I say once the construction is over, now you can easily make out quality of construction. You can easily make out. There are various techniques today available to check the quality of construction. Sir. Soil test कर लो, structural test कर लो, बहुत सारे हैं सर techniques today. अच्छा क्वालिटी का मटेरियल यूज किया है नहीं किया है सर, एवरीथिंग यू कैन फाइंड आउट टुडे वंस द कंस्ट्रक्शन इज ओवर. समझ में आया भारत की जनता? Now, what do you mean by structural damages, sir? Now, by the way, what do you mean by structural damages, sir? क्या लगता है? What is structural damages? Sir, when I say structural damages, pillar में crack आ जाना, those type of structural damages I'm talking about. Sir. Structure I'm talking about structure. दीवार गिर जाना, है ना? Brick wall it is completely fallen down, sir. Breaks, yes, you can say, and breaks also not fitwood break. Now sometimes imagine while drilling, nail लगाने के लिए drill करते हो, छोटा सा crack आ सकता है. So do you think for that you will go and ask for guarantee claim? हाँ? No, ऐसा नहीं होता है sir. Sir, word use is structural. Structure, पूरा structure खराब होना चाहिए sir. Then they will be giving you the guarantee sir. Did you understand this point, बच्चा? Okay. So ये सारी बातें हैं sir. So this you have to understand sir. Okay. More I wanted to tell sir, but it's okay. है ना? We are not in a hurry. We will complete it slow and steady sir. Okay. I hope you understood today's class. एक बार हो सके तो please go through last point का example very carefully sir. Okay. 8th point में I told you many things. If possible, please write down those things also in your notebook now. Maybe I doubt whether itna detailedly they will ask you in exam, but still, can I say if you know that is good, no? These are some things which you will really face in practical world, sir. Okay, तो थोड़ा बहुत आपको जानना अच्छा होगा. That's the reason I thought let me discuss this point, sir. Okay, this chart is very very important. You will not find this chart on any book on this earth. कोई भी बुक पकड़ लो आप, सीएस का बुक पकड़ो, सीए का बुक पकड़ो, एक्ट पकड़ो, कुछ भी पकड़ लो, you will not find this chart sir. Okay, so बहुत ही important है. This gives you entire summary कि which project registration is required. So can I say is registration required for every project? My answer would be no. Can I say अगर this is the case, registration is not required. देखो where I am highlighting, देखो if this is the case, registration is not required. Can I say remaining all cases में registration was required. Here also registration was not required. Can I say extreme left, extreme right? In these cases registration was not required. Remaining all cases में registration was required. समझ में आया? Now can I say अगर registration हुआ then only they will be regulated. Agree? अगर regulation हुआ then only they will be regulated. अगर regulation ही नहीं हुआ, sorry, registration is only not there, then there is no regulation as such. Clear है बच्चा? So I am a small builder. 4 floors I am constructing, 300 square meter cities, sir. Do you think registration is required? And I am selling all this to my people, sir. Not required, sir. Even though I am collecting the money, not required, sir. Chota project hai, and a very small project it is. Okay, because for every every project, if it is getting registered, it will become very difficult for RERA people to interfere also. समझ में आया? Too many registrations मतलब too much headache. Okay, so I guess this intro class is understood to you, sir. Okay, इतना complicated chapter नहीं है माँ. अगर you listen carefully, definitely your 80 to 90% of revision will get over in class itself. Okay, sir, but what if someone is not getting registered with 9 apartments? Can I say tomorrow you will get answer for this question? There are serious penalties, sir. Okay, so tomorrow you will get answer for this question now. Still my intro class is not over, boys and girls. Now introduction class, I will take one more class for introduction now. Okay, so tomorrow's class also will dedicate for this. So thank you very much. फिर मिलेंगे, चलते